Welcome to an in-depth look at the fundamental differences between tokens and coins in the cryptocurrency world. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not investment advice. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for anyone navigating the digital asset space, whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast. Let's start by defining what a coin is. In the simplest terms, a coin is a native cryptocurrency that operates on its own independent blockchain. Think of Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin is the native coin of the Bitcoin blockchain, and it's used primarily as a medium of exchange and a store of value. Similarly, Ethereum has its own native coin, Ether, which powers the Ethereum blockchain and is used to pay for transaction fees, also known as gas. Coins are fundamental to their respective ecosystems, enabling the network's security and functionality through processes like mining or staking. They are often created through complex cryptographic processes and are integral to the decentralized nature of their blockchains. Now, let's shift our focus to tokens. Unlike coins, tokens do not have their own independent blockchain. Instead, tokens are built on top of existing blockchains, leveraging the security and infrastructure of that underlying network. A prime example is USDT, or Tether, which is a stablecoin token built on various blockchains, including Ethereum. Many tokens adhere to specific standards, such as ERC-20 on the Ethereum blockchain, which defines a common set of rules for their creation and functionality. Tokens can represent a wide array of assets or utilities, from digital currencies and loyalty points to real-world assets like real estate or company shares. They are incredibly versatile and are often used within decentralized applications, or dApps, and in the burgeoning field of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Now, let's delve into the key differences that set coins and tokens apart, starting with their underlying blockchain. Coins, as we discussed, operate on their own dedicated blockchain, giving them complete autonomy and control over their network's rules and security. Tokens, conversely, rely on the infrastructure of an existing blockchain, inheriting its security features and transaction processing capabilities. Another major difference lies in their creation. Coins are typically generated through mining or staking, which are resource-intensive processes. Tokens, on the other hand, are created using smart contracts on existing blockchains, making their issuance more flexible and less resource-intensive. Their use cases also diverge significantly. Coins are primarily designed for payments, value storage, and securing their native networks. Tokens, however, offer a broader range of functionalities, from representing ownership in a project to facilitating governance in decentralized autonomous organizations. The control over supply also differs. The supply of coins is often governed by the protocol of their native blockchain, with predefined issuance schedules. For tokens, the supply is determined by the smart contract that created them, allowing for more dynamic and programmable issuance mechanisms. In summary, coins are the native currency of their own blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ether, used for core network functions. Tokens are built on existing blockchains, such as ERC-20 tokens on Ethereum, offering diverse functionalities beyond simple currency. Understanding these distinctions empowers you to make more informed decisions in the fast-evolving world of digital assets. Thank you for watching. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not investment advice.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.